The Boeing 787-10 Dreamliner B78X, operated by Saudia Airlines, represents the cutting edge of aviation technology and passenger comfort. This aircraft is the largest member of the Dreamliner family, offering increased passenger capacity, improved fuel efficiency, and longer range compared to earlier models. With an advanced aerodynamic design, composite materials, and modern engines, the B78X provides a quieter, smoother ride while reducing carbon emissions. On this particular journey, the B78X departs from Manchester Airport, a major international gateway in the UK, and heads toward Jeddah, a bustling port city, and the gateway to Mecca. The trip covers a considerable distance, crossing multiple countries and offering passengers sweeping views of varied landscapes. Jeddah is known for its historical significance, cultural heritage, and beautiful Red Sea coastline. A highlight of this video is the real-time flight path map, allowing viewers to follow the aircraft's journey from takeoff to landing, providing a geographic context to the trip. Additionally, the video showcases the age of the aircraft, offering a unique look into the Dreamliner's history and its role in modern aviation. This Saudia B78X flight is more than just a journey between two cities. It offers a blend of luxury, advanced engineering, and cultural discovery, making it an engaging viewing experience for travel enthusiasts and aviation lovers alike. If you find this video interesting, please like, comment, and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.